Yes. It's okay, Mary.
Hi, buddy. How are you? Is your boy?
Yeah, he'll be 6 tomorrow.
6? What? Thank you.
Of course.
So where are you headed?
I'm going to my mom's.
Where's mom at?
I'm going out.
Okay. Can I talk to you back here for a little bit, please? Okay, so here's what's happening. When you came out of the Imperial Sky, we were checking plates because we've been getting a lot of stolen vehicles.
Okay.
When we ran your plate, it came back that the registered owner has a probation violation. So there's a warrant out for you. That's why I asked you for your name, because they said it was Adonica Barella. Yeah, for her. So you do have it's probation violation, right? That we have to serve. You know why you got violated or anything?
No.
But now we have the issue of your little boy being in the car here, so we need to find out
Can I get...
if maybe your mom could come get him, or
See you, buddy.
pick up your mask first.
Can I get my son to my mom?
Is there any way she could come out here?
I don't know.
You want to call her?
Can you have to figure out my warrant issue?
I don't know who you would call.
I thought my probation was finished.
Let me confirm. So if you want to just hang out right here, call mom and just let her know what's going on, and I'll confirm, see if it's in there. Okay?
Can I back over here, please? Thank you.
Oh, she got a queue with her?
Mom's on her way.
Nice. What's she doing over there? She up over there.
She says she's right there right now.
Oh, I know.
What's up, buddy? You alright? Alright.
Felon.
You forget to check in or what?
No, I thought it was over.
You get a letter from the state?
Having them.
It's valid. Still have it.
Where's your mom come from?
She got mom coming?
I can go. I don't have a case. I have to pick it up real quick.
Yeah.
You know? So.
Yeah, we'll wait till mom gets here and takes that little boy. Hey, when you're 98 there, can you 87 with me here at Valley and Isaacs? I'm gonna have the 15.
I can go pick up the warrant. I don't have a cage. But that thing.
Oh.
Yeah, but I want to go pick up the warrant.
He'll come at please 98.
Say some para right here. Can I start the paperwork? Hi, buddy. Oh, it's your birthday tomorrow?
Gonna get some sun?
How old are you gonna be?
I'm big. Son.
6? You are big for 6.
Who's this over here in this gray Mustang?
Oh.
Over here.
Oh, I have no idea.
That's why I don't know.
He just pulled off.
Place Mudson, you know exactly where he came from. Kind of makes you really, really at the end. You know that place. You know, and Rube, you said his name?
Actually, that smells like... But yeah.
So, well, I'll keep it here. If it's not a good spot for a kid like this.
Under the warrant, is it just other authorities, misdemeanor or felony?
I think it's just a misdemeanor.
Okay.
I don't know. What is it? Might be a felony.
So it's a probation violation, but I don't know if she's on probation.
Violation of a court order statewide. You got the warrant number. Has to be a felony, right?
Can I get that warrant number, bro?
William 902 871 165.
With the magistrate?
Yeah, I don't. Let's call her over here.
Boston Team's connected to you and is reminding you to file on.
Miss Barella, what was your initial charges when you got on probation?
Just the probation.
But what did you get charged with?
Theft.
Theft?
Yeah.
What was the amount?
800.
Okay. Were you charged felony?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. Did you end up doing any kind of jail time or?
Yeah, I went to jail. But then I remember going to court and getting on probation, and my attorney discussing it with the judge about how long and so forth. I really don't recall. It's been a while, but.
Okay. But it was for theft. That was it.
Yeah.
No other charges.
No.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight. Okay. You said your mom's gonna come though.
Yeah. Can you get out of the way, Michelle? Or can you?
I'll get over here.
Do you know if anybody can come pick your car up?
Uh,
I don't want to have to tow it. Oh. You're okay with that?
Hey, buddy, you ready to go grab now? Take the dropped off. Thank you. You ready to have fun?
Just hang tight. We'll let you bring top security a bit. Okay? Once the officer service up.
Drawing the card.
No. I told her no. She's gonna get someone to pick it up. You okay with that or no? Or should we tow it?
What do you think? She's fucking mad.
Let's tell her, Vito.
So, she's fucking walking fairs. I don't. Up to you. Keep it door, huh?
I mean, I thought I'd be there and then we played off.
You take your cell phone, Missy. Come on, baby, take that. So, like, I can't let you give more profit because I can stand up there.
Yeah. There's something in there?
no.
Do you want to take your cash with you?
What are you gonna do?
Behind your books.
Oh,
Like,
how
touch
long am I
you.
gonna be there?
So what's today? Thursday?
You may be out tomorrow.
You can be out fast.
Mm.
Straight. What were you doing there?
Be real.
I
Because
went
we're gonna
to-
do you a favor of not towing your car, but
I went to I have to get gasoline. The $8 at with that. He was supposed to give me $10. But
at this car,
no, that's my car. I went to go get gas money.
the owner of the apartments.
I guess I don't really know him like that. It's a friend's friend.
And he said
when
he's
I
gonna
gave
give you
him a
some money.
ride- Yeah, when I went to go give my friend a ride yesterday, I believe, or the day before, he was supposed to give me $10 for gas, but he never did until that's what I went for.
Come here.
You want to get us to your mom?
Yeah,
Is that what you're there doing or not?
no,
Because we're gonna search the car. Is there dope in here or not?
no, there's not.
Did you use in there and then you took off or what?
No. Then what were you doing there? I went to go get gas for me. I'm a D. I didn't even realize I was in the honest to gas. Or what is it, yeah? Yeah, barely you're still using it. That's still in your fucking wallet, right? I mean, honestly, why would you have that in there if you're not...
Help me.
I didn't know there was in here, honestly, God.
Hey, you're using, you got your little boy. That's what pisses me off, because you took your fucking little boy over there. That's bullshit. You can't do that. You gotta get your shit together. It's not that hard. You just gotta not use. Everything else will work. What did they tell you? You gotta kill your number on probation and then that's it, it's off your record? So then?
I just thought it was over with already.
How old are you?
Be done and done with it. Couldn't-
Okay. You know, that's when they issued the warrant. How old are you?
I'll be 29 on the 2nd.
29? That's already getting old. You gotta fucking get your shit together. You have to. You live with your mom or what?
Oh my God.
You can't take your little boy over there. No more. We're at that place all the time. I do not want to see you at that. On that strip of the street ever again. There's no reason for to have to visit anybody over there, ever. Nobody good hangs out on West Picatra.
Well, just even gas me and you fucking give me your time for my whole experience.
You gotta eat a piece of humble pie. You cannot be over there. This car is too easy for me to remember. And I really don't mind if it's just you, but what bothers me is that you took a little kid over, a 6-year-old. You can't do that. And I know you didn't get down on the car with him because you came back and got in the car by yourself. So you left a 6-year-old unattended in the shittiest part of town.
No, he was victim. And he saw me get out of the car up when I went to the door to get the lemon.
Where's your boyfriend? Really? You know a guy named Mark Escobar? It's not for you, really? No. You have any idea where he's at?
Said you haven't been with him for a year?
Almost half a year.
Half a year?
Almost.
Ain't nothing on Facebook when we look right now.
No. I haven't done it.
You still in town?
I have power care. I have a clock time. Okay.
How long has this been going? Mom says it's been going on for a long time.
My jigsaw, I started years
About half a year ago?
Years ago, and I'm just not like good enough, and you're starting going to run that again.
I know. You know it's here? You're not a very good liar. I understand that right now. Okay.
I really didn't go to my Lord.
Well, this doesn't matter, but where you're at, where you're hanging out with, the fact that you have your son there, that kind of stuff. I mean, I could lecture all you want, but it's up to you to make the choices. If not, you'll be running into us a lot. Ask that entire crew. They know exactly who we are. Nothing to be inside the car, he said?
Who's coming to get it?
My husband.
Huh?
My mom's husband.
You want me to go pick up the 40?
Let's find out where transport's at.
Yeah, right.
Last girl, I wanted to ask. Hey, I have this female here with 738. I'm just trying to be efficient. Is it cool if I just take her and leave her with you, and then I'll let Juan take you to paperwork?
Yeah, that would help out part.
All right, cool. I'll 87 there with you if you're in just a sec.
No?
Hey, let's go, all right? You want to drink the rest of that water or no?
And I'm just letting you know right now, it's not a threat. I'm just telling you right now, they have an x-ray machine at the jail. They're going to x-ray you. They're going to go through your pockets, everything like that at all. Is there anything you need to tell us right now before that goes down? That's going to be an additional charge.
Yeah.
Okay, where is it?
My pants.
Okay. Where in your pants?
Inside my pants.
Inside?
Yeah.
In your pockets or inside your pants?
Inside my pants. You want it?
Well, the problem is we're male officers. You're a female. Okay? We can get a female officer over here so that we've been recording this entire time too.
Well, I could just turn around and get it.
No, like I said, we have a female officer come over here right now, so
It's not in me, it's just in my curves.
like right on the underwear line.
Like right here in my door.
Let us see if we have a female officer available. I feel more comfortable with a female officer, okay?
Call 868, over. My radio's dead. I got it. My radio's dead, bro. I don't know what happened.
Use that one, Sarge. It's gonna be, yeah. Oh, look, mine's dead too. This thing on?
Knee line, bro.
Second-hand information.
You gonna charge this money or you want Metro?
Information from the brother
You want me to cut?
that people are starting small fires in the backyard.
We'll just enter it, dude, and let Metro follow up.
It's gonna be a Daniel Anzarete. Lives at this location. Also stating that subjects are squatting as well.
Wait,
Has history of code 16 use.
Just letting you know too, because your stuff. She has dope in her, okay?
Okay. Oh. All right.
Just come back and record this.
Yeah, Josh. Yeah, I can get you a couple of chargers. We'll put them in your car. And,
She's busy, dude.
I know, 14. You haven't done that one for it, so I'll do it out.
Yeah, we need an evidence bag.
651 Tracer.
No. I'll just I'll have on-call Metro. Have on-call Metro give you a 20
with them on Ransom.
Tell them that we have a female with the user amount of dope on her.
You know what it is?
No. Do you have an evidence bag?
Gosh. This man ever had evidence?
Okay. So she's got a user amount of dope on her. She's gonna pull it. We'll have her secured inside a glove or something.
Yeah.
Just enter the dope and tell on-call Metro that here's the case number. The dope is entered under this case number and she's in jail on a probation violation. Everything you need is there. If you want to charge her later, fine. If you want to come talk to her, she's at the jail.
Okay.
But I mean, it's not her unless you want to sit with her at the station.
Okay.
I forgot you're a canine unit.
What are you doing?
I need some gloves.
I might have a bag. I want to check. Hey, buddy.
All right. We're going to turn around, grab it, and then give it to us, all right? Hold on. So you're going to have to get it at the jail?
Well, where are you getting me return for it?
They're fentanyl pills?
I don't know what it is. Oxy or something? I don't know.
All right. Okay. Anything else? All right. Turn around. Can't do that.
Right there.
Oh, gloves, dude. I need more. Go. They're fentanyl pills, dude. Metro's gonna have to come out. Hey, Juan, they're fentanyl pills. Metro's gotta come out. Just tell them to meet you at the station.
Okay.
Scary as this hand.
Here we have a female picture.
I'll put a 2 sergeant call Metro, sir.
On call Metro to the station. All right, come on. We're gonna go through the back of my car. You got the dope, right?
Yep.
I'll take her to the station, dude. I'll meet you there then.
We did not ask her. We want to. Yeah, I'll keep like the video. No, you don't.
Hey, stupid. Where are the keys?
My mom has them.
Okay, she took them with her? Alright. Hey, mom took the keys with her. So,
Jack, she had to go get boyfriend. Come
it's all
back.
locked. It's all locked up.